Good.
The can family.
Why are we filming?
Do they have like a Lamborghini?
Yeah. Lamborghini, but
Yeah,
we got Tesla. We got Tesla.
Where?
I don't know. Oh, look at that one. That's a flat one. Flat boat.
Where's the Lamborghini?
I don't know. This is so awkward. I am filming for the YouTube. Damn, look at that one. It's got the fish and chips. What am I filming?
You're filming the Lamborghini.
Is this a POV? Oh shit. Wow, is that an ad? Is that a real life ad?
Where?
Right there. Is that a toilet? What is a toilet?
A toilet? This is a toilet.
Yeah. What am I filming? Ooh. That's a nice one. I think I'm filming.
What's up, guys?
How do you extend this?
Huh? But extend it.
Extend it, bro.
How?
I don't know. Do that. Extend it.
I don't know how to do that.
Bitch.
I don't know. Yeah.
I'm filming your back. Is this a...
Bro, film the Lamborghini yacht.
Where? Wow, look at that one. That's a nice one. It has 2 stories. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at this one. Oh, look at that one. Is that the coffee maker? Oh shit, no it's not. Is that a fridge? What am I filming? I don't know what I'm filming. What boats am I looking at? Cause
Just I wish I had them.
it's just like this look okay? Yeah. Damn, look at that one.
Yep.
Maui wowie. Oh my god. I don't have 3 million, bro. I'm broke. Our YouTube channel is going bankrupt. 6 million. I don't have 6 million. I ain't rich like that, bro. Wow, is that the one from the India? Uzbekistan. What am I filming? I'll film you from the back. Wow. Look at this. What is that? Ooh, free hat. I want it. It's so hot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Damn. The fuck?
Simone.
You don't even fit on your head, bro. Ooh.
My head's too freaking
I don't wanna film no more. Damn, they got surfboard. That's not surfboard. They got that one. I like that one. That one looks nice. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, that one. It has a bed. You can go sleep on that one. Can I zoom in? How do I zoom in on this? I don't know how this works. Do something. What the fuck?
I don't know too. I don't know how you do that.
Now it just looks weird. What angle am I looking at? Oh, there we go. That's a nice one. Prada. I thought Prada was a jewelry store. Tiramisu. That's food. Damn, look at that one. That's a nice one. It's got like a floor. Damn, that's not a boat. Ooh, look at that one. So embarrassing. Wow, those are some nice boats, bro. They got 3 engines. Why does it need 3? Why is it free? I didn't know we needed that many. Damn, look at that one. That's a nice boat. Over there. It has like a couch and that one, you idiot.
Which one?
It's right there. That's a nice boat. Is that my music teacher?
Where?
No, it's not. At the boat. Damn, that's a nice boat, bro. It has like a toilet. No, it doesn't.
You just pee on the side.
Just pee on the side of the boat. Damn. Look at that idiot. Ugh. Turn on.
Bro, you look like you know Musan. You're like Musan.
Oh shit, bro. How do I rotate this? Can I rotate this? I've never seen it on that. Ooh, look at the water. That is some nice water. I remember I saw a seal once in the water. And we're like,
Azimut.
What? Azimut. Wow, look at that. That's so nice. Ah. They had a bed on the boat.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Bro, I think the head's too big.
Yeah, your head's too big. Oh my gosh. My neck. I'm burning. Oh, what's the purpose of this? Ooh, that one has like the windmill.
What?
That one, it has the windmill on top of it. Oh shit. M50. Wow. Wow, how much is that? $1 million? $1 million? That's so many. $1 million. $1 million. Let me on the boat, bro. Let me on the boat. Damn, can I sit down?
Sit where?
Or is that for the rich people? I'm rich.
No.
I'm an influencer.
Am I just scanning that and then you can have...
The freaking what? What am I looking at? Do I need to see in that?
So what is it for?
It's just basically going to send a thank you email to everybody. Yeah. You can come stand in the shade.
Move, bro.
We gotta go inside.
I might just take off your shoes and then that's
Thank you. You're so. These are my school socks. Take your shoes off.
Bro,
I'll film you for feetfinder.com.
You go first.
Go. Get on the boat. Ooh, what about that one? That's a nice one. I like that one. Buy me that one.
Which one?
Buy me that for my birthday. My
Okay,
feet
let's
are
go on
burning.
this one first.
That one? Buy me that. I want that for Christmas.
Christmas.
For like $2. Okay, bro. Ooh. Oh, those are my feet. Ooh. Damn, bro. Wow, that's such a night. I think this is prom. Yeah, wait, no. Yeah, that's okay. Damn, bro. Wow, look at these boats. Wow, wow. That one is, I don't know. No.
Which one do you want to go on first?
300,000.
Where?
Damn, bro. Why is it for
20%
sport?
share.
Are you gonna go swim? Oh, why is there a little one on the side? I wanna buy a little one. Buy me
It looks
that
like
one.
It's floating. It looks like it's floating. It looks like it's floating. I mean, it looks like it's flying.
Buy me that one. The little one. The safety boat. Buy me that one. So the person that buys that boat, they don't get the safety boat.
A
And then
little
they,
yachty. You want to get a little yachty?
yeah. Ooh. What if I reach in the water and I grab a jellyfish and then I cook it on the spot?
Cook a jellyfish.
Yeah. You know, people eat the jellyfish. I want to eat jellyfish. The bullet. The bullet? I don't want to eat the bullet. I eat the bullet jellyfish. Wow, look at that one. That's a nice boat.
Let's go on this one first.
Oh, this
Wait,
one?
come here.
Did I drop anything? Is my phone still in here? Yeah, it is. Freaking go, ball.
There are people in there.
Jump. Jump.
Fall in the water.
Stop. Why does it keep turning on? Go, bro.
There are people in there.
I don't know. Oh, shit. What if I drop the camera? Go. Wow, so bougie.
What's so bougie?
What if I drive off into the ocean? I go on there and then I drive
Bro,
off
you
into
got
the
a whole,
ocean
like-
and then I get it for free.
You got a whole sink in that.
Yeah, bro. They got like a kitchen.
A whole
They got
kitchen.
a stove. They got the grill. And they got another sink. And they got a TV. No, they don't. It broke.
Yeah, I can jump on there from there.
Yeah. Wait, you should like walk on the rope like
Walk
the
on rope.
like the clown.
I'm gonna jump on that boat from here.
Yeah. Go go.
Huh?
Over there.
Over there.
Over there. Go. Am I allowed to cross the border? Wow, they have an oven. Ooh,
Got tissues.
they have a sponge. Ooh, you can buy this bowl for $3.99 at Target. Ooh, hello, Poe. There's a downstairs. Yo, they got drinks.
They got it.
They got the coffee maker, and they got the
They got baby.
Bimini. Ooh, yo, they got that one, and they have air conditioning. You can go on the roof? What? Ooh. Wow. 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 Go down. I'm gonna fall. Stop. Stop. Can we go over that one now? You know, by India. Can I go there? Wait, no, there's someone India.
You wanna go in this one?
Is there someone India?
Go in that one.
Bro. Yeah, I can.
Oh, you have to go there.